Oh, hi there. G here, digital architect at Ideyation. If you saw my other video, we talked about how we helped a non-profit group attract a billionaire to invest in their solar electrification project, all through social media. Well, guess what? That same group last year won several awards, basically the equivalent of winning the Tony, Emmy, or Oscars in their particular industry. Also recently, we launched a social media campaign that helped a social enterprise exceed their goal of clearing 1 million in their first year. We actually helped them clear 2 million in that same year. Now, since one of our company missions and values is to pay it forward, we will be having our first and our biggest digital marketing workshop held exclusively and for local Filipino companies. It's going to be on May 25 for businesses, brands, solopreneurs, entrepreneurs, social media managers, and anyone interested in the digital marketing industry. To add to that, we're going to be building you a website for free. All you have to pay is the price of admission for the May 25 event. Click the send message button right below the video to get more info and to register for the event. Don't forget and remember to share this particular video with anyone you think might be interested. Let us know what you're thinking, and I look forward to seeing you on May 25. Thank you.